A portable blender can be utilized to mix most things a regular blender can. In addition to it might work as a food processor in certain occurrences like beating up a pesto or salsa. While standard-size blenders are convenient for families who need numerous servings without a moment's delay, an individual blender is frequently totally adequate for more modest families, people who are dependably in a hurry, and individuals making single servings, otherwise known as a parent or high schooler making nourishment for themselves or another relative. A large portion of the mixing cups that accompany these machines incorporate a protected to-go cover, and some even accompany numerous cups. Individual blenders can be utilized for making sound smoothies, emulsifying a rich plate of mixed greens dressing, or preparing a couple of servings of blender hotcakes. A regular blender is a priority machine for each kitchen, yet what might be said about those times you need to prepare a smoothie or mix a protein shake in a hurry? You're certainly not going to place your Vitamix in your handbag, yet you can bring a compact blender. These charmingly little blenders are intended to be conveyed in your sack or gathered in a bag, and large numbers of them have helpful battery-fueled plans that can be utilized anyplace, no power plug required. Sound engaging? This is the very thing that you really want to be aware to track down the best compact blender for your necessities. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend best portable blenders for tasty smoothies. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Hamilton Beach brand. Blend wherever the day takes you, at the office, school, gym, beach, game, or while traveling. The compact size is small enough to carry in your hand, and it easily fits in a tote bag. Start your day with a nutritious smoothie, treat yourself to a post-workout shake, or make a healthy afternoon snack. The 6 stainless steel blades easily cut through ingredients to deliver smooth results. After blending, top the jar with the travel lid to enjoy your drink on the go. The sip-through cap on the lid opens for drinking, then seals tightly for leak-proof portability. Simply connect the included USB cable from the blender to the USB port on your laptop, computer, power bank, car or RV while traveling. To charge at home, plug it into an outlet with a charging block. You can blend at your convenience. The long-lasting power charge is ready when you are. Add liquid and ingredients to jar and attach base to top. While holding blender upside down, press start twice, then turn blender upright to finish. When blending stops, turn blender back over to remove the base, pour into a glass to serve or attach the travel lid. The blue and red solid and flashing lights keep you informed at every stage, from when the 30-second blending cycle is on to when it's time to charge the battery. The jar, travel lid and blade guard are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. To clean the blades, hold blender base on its side, then carefully rinse just the blades under running water. We continue with the number 4, that is part of the Mueller Austria brand. The perfect blender for shakes and smoothies, juices and more. Whether your ingredients are fresh or frozen, this blender will bullet its way to a smooth mix of nutritious and delicious goodness. Who said a healthy diet is difficult to organize? Blend and enjoy your drinks straight from the blending jar with our custom-designed drinking lid. Made from premium food-grade, non-toxic ABS, with up to 2 cups capacity, you'll save time, cleanup and storage with this versatile, all-in-one blending jar. Simply blend, lift, and go. Pulse your way to the smoothest of smoothies. Yes, there are bigger and more elaborate blenders out there, but do you really need to spend the extra money for the same functionality? This smoothie blender lets you whip up drinks, dressings, and even baby food, all with one simple touch. Don't be fooled by the size of this mini blender. Its heavy-duty blades will quickly crush ice, fruits, and veggies so you can enjoy smooth results in a flash. One touch and you are good to go. The Mueller Juice Blender is a great alternative for those who need to juice in a hurry. Don't worry, your own protein shake blender will take care of everything. Number 3 in our top is from the Vaeqozva brand. Enjoy the unexpected. The lid has directly drinking function. You can drink it, like a normal 380 milliliters water bottle, directly through the mouth on the bottle cap, or just pop in the silicone straw and enjoy. Don't have to prepare another cup to fill the drink after mixing. You can enjoy fresh smoothie wherever and whenever you want. Built-in 6 pieces SUS 304 blades in 3D and rotation speed up to 22,000 RPM per minute. The portable blender can easily liquidize anything including small ice cubes in no time. Built-in rechargeable 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery, 20 to 25 cups of juice can be squeezed on a full charge. Perfect for shakes and smoothies, juice, protein shaker, salad dressings. The blender body is made of the same Tritan material as the baby bottle. Our product's not only built-in mechanical safety device that if the components are not properly assembled, but also 100% overcharged, overheated protection for batteries, extending the life of it. Fully guarantee the safety of users. One-button blending, cleaning, just put some water in the cup, press the button to start automatic cleaning. Portable blender cup is detachable, easy to clean, easy to flush. Remember not to wash the bottom fuselage. The full blender is all about the size of a water bottle. It is perfect for daily use and carry outside. It is ideal for office, gym, outdoors, traveling, camping or fishing. Thanks to our excellent designers, in order to design a practical and stylish blender, they have spent more time than anyone paying attention to choose premium raw materials and the latest popular elements. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Number 2 in our top is from the Hamilton Beach brand. If smoothies and protein shakes are a staple in your diet, life just got a little easier. The Hamilton Beach Personal Creations blender with travel lid lets you blend and run. Since the blending jar is also a travel mug with lid, there is no need to find the right cup or spend time cleaning up the blender before leaving the house. Instead, just remove the jar from the base, and you're ready to go. Blend fruit smoothies, shakes and your favorite icy drinks right in the 14 ounces. BPA-free travel jar, then grab it and go. The blender jar comes with a travel lid to double as a go cup. It's portable, lightweight and fits in most car cup holders. Durable stainless steel blades power through ice, frozen fruits and leafy greens for consistently smooth results. Perfect for adding more vitamins and nutrients into your diet in smoothies and protein shakes. The blending jar, blades and travel lid are all dishwasher safe, so cleaning up is a breeze. The small size of the blender makes it perfect for the home, office, travel, small dorms and apartments. Quickly prepare smoothies, shakes, icy drinks, and more by just pressing the button. It's so easy. With the cord wrap and compact design, the blender neatly stores almost anywhere. The cord wrap holds the cord neatly around the base of the blender out of the way. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. The number 1 product is part of the GRECHO brand. Thanks to its genius industrial design, this GRECHO small blender is the world's first one-handed drinking blender for shakes and smoothies. This mini blender works hard so you don't have to just snap the seal lip open and closed, so it's sealed shut and leak-proof when you're done sipping. This confidence and safety comes from the dual protection system and material. GREECHO single-serve blender is featuring intelligent, power-off protection, overload protection. In addition, it made with food-grade non-toxic and eco-friendly Tritan material, as well as totally BPA-free. You'll fall in love with this powerhouse. This portable blender with rechargeable USB goes beyond just smoothies and shakes. It can grate cheese, mince garlic, and even make frozen cocktails thanks to its high-speed mixer system. Charge using a laptop, with a power bank, a USB charger, or even in the car. GREECHO Smoothie Blender has a 20% larger caliber, making it easier to feed ingredients. All you have to do to operate this milkshake maker is double press the start button. As for keeping this device clean, due to the mini blender adopts one-piece molding technology, just put some water in the small blender and double press for automatic cleaning. 12 ounces portable blender, micro USB cable, quick start guide, user manual, our worry-free lifetime warranty, and prompt-friendly customer service. Which portable blender would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.